वंदे मातरम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम अगेन। लास्ट टाइम हमने वी सी अबाउट द सेट. व्हाट इज सेट? इट इज़ अ वेल डिफाइंड collection of objects. That collection can be numbers, function, anything. Okay, name, anything you can write. So that is called set, which is well defined. मतलब अगर आप लिख रहे हैं so universally आपको पता चलना चाहिए कि I can write same thing. If anyone else is writing, then he is also writing the same thing. ठीक है, तो कौन से सेट नहीं है उसके बारे में डिस्कस बाद में करेंगे, लेकिन मैंने लास्ट टाइम आपको बोला था कि इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी सम मोर सेट्स. तो अभी मैं थोड़े सेट्स ऐसा एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ विच इज़ वेल डिफाइंड कलेक्शन. ठीक है, इनफाइनाइट है लेकिन वेल डिफाइंड है. इनफाइनाइट है भी और नहीं भी, लेकिन आई कैन राइट इट इन बोथ वे. हमने जो दो मेथड्स देखी, फर्स्ट रूस्टर फॉर्म, टेबुलर फॉर्म और लिस्टिंग मेथड, एंड सेकेंड वन इज प्रॉपर्टी मेथड. ठीक है, जो प्रॉपर्टी है उसकी निकल के आएगी और यू कैन से इट सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक सम मोर एग्जांपल्स. देखिए, एन जेड क्यू एंड आर, व्हाट इज दैट? आई एक्सप्लेन यू इन लास्ट लेक्चर. इफ यू आर समथिंग in doubt, then go back and watch my lecture number 1 for set theory. Okay, अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. So first example देखना, हाँ, छोटी छोटी ट्रिक्स हैं, छोटे छोटे चेंजेस हैं. How can we play with the set? Here I am writing a is equal to 2 4 6 8. That's it. Okay, मैंने क्या किया? I am taking a set a is equal to 2 4 6 8. That's it. So how do I take it in a set builder form? This is my listing method, rooster form. ठीक है, so I am going to write here x, where x is a multiple of 2, multiple of 2. So I can write it x is equal to 2y also. Okay, I am writing it like this. X is a multiple of 2, so therefore x is equal to 2y. Simply where y is equal to 1 2 3 4. Simple. What is I am writing? Y is equal to 1. If I am putting y equal to 1, I will get 2. If I am putting y equal to 2 here, 2 into 2, that is 4. 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. So my answer is x is equal to 2y, the y is equal to 1 2 3 4. I can also write the first 4 multiple of 2. देखिए, second method, x, where x is first 4 factors of 2. Sorry, factors नहीं, 4 multiples of 2. This way I can define. Okay, you can define in more way also. Okay, now if I am adding a is equal to only 0, then a small change in this formula, that x is equal to x, where x is equal to 2y, y is equal to 0 1 2 3 4. Now I am making little bit a small change. I am writing like this. Okay, so this is infinite set. मैम अब इसको हम लोग सेट बोल सकते हैं कि नहीं बोल सकते? डेफिनेटली बोल सकते हैं, बिकॉज आई नो, सपोज आई एम टेकिंग अ नंबर 24, so I know it is there in this set. Okay, if I am taking 102, then also I know that it is in the set. If I am talking about 5001, then I know that it is not in this set. ठीक है, so जितने भी numbers है, I know very well which are in it or not in it. Okay, so when I can clarify this, then only I can say it is a set value. Okay, which is value. this is your listing method, Brewster form or tabular form. Now if I want to write it in a property method, I have one of them, that is here. I can write b is equal to x where x is equal to y, where y belongs to n. Why? Because I know that numbers are only in n. I am taking only positive even numbers. Okay, so I am taking only positive even numbers. That's why I am writing here that value of y is belongs to n. That is, you can put here 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, that is the most important one more way to express it, as this is set E, set of odd even numbers. Okay, set of even numbers. When I am talking about set of even numbers matlab itself it says that your y belongs to n or your values are only positive even numbers. Okay, I am doing little more change in this. Okay, if I am supposed to write that -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so on, what I do? I am going to add 0, -2, -4 in this set. So now I am going to write in another way like this, x where x is equal to y, y belongs to z. Okay, so now I am not talking about even numbers, but I am talking about even integers. Okay, because these all are even integers. जब हम बोले set of even numbers मतलब itself it says that हमें सिर्फ positive integers लेने हैं. ठीक है, जब हम again this is also called set of E. जब कुछ भी given नहीं है तो आपको सिर्फ positive numbers लेने हैं. जब आपको given है that E is a set of even integers, then you have to take minus and 0 also. देखिए, this is the difference. You can see it clearly. Clear? What is that? A set of even numbers means you have to take only positive even numbers. And when I am talking about even integers, means you have to take minus number also and 0 also. Positive तो है as it is. Just you have to add 0 and negative numbers also, because sometimes we need only this, sometimes we need this also. Okay, अब किसी को ऐसे आइडिया है कि मैम आपने n ले लिया, z ले लिया, तो QR को क्यों छोड़े? तो उसको छोड़ दो. अगर आपने इंटीजर्स के बदले रैशनल नंबर्स ले लिए, so it cannot be even numbers. Okay, suppose if I am taking 2 and multiplying with y, suppose my y belongs to q, so q में तो मैं ले सकती हूँ कि 1/2, 1/2 is also in a q. Okay, so y के बदले if I am taking 1/2, so that is 1, so I know this is not even number. Okay, तो वो हमारा जो आइडिया है, क्राइटेरिया है, पूरा चेंज हो जाएगा. So I am not taking any numbers except y belongs to z. Okay, for even numbers, set of even numbers. Okay, so our idea of even numbers is only for y belongs to n and for y belongs to z also. Okay, so अब even number तो ले लिए, तो फिर odd number बोल रहे हैं कि हमें क्यों नहीं ले रहे हैं, तो उनको भी ले लेते हैं. So now I am writing O 1 3 5 7. So this is O is called set of odd numbers. ओके, अब जब मैं बात कर रही हूँ इवन नंबर की, तो दैट इज वेरी इजी टू कंसिडर दैट 2 इज अ मल्टीपल. ओके, सो अगर मैं ऑड नंबर्स ले रही हूँ, सो हाउ कैन आई एक्सप्रेस इट? तो जो भी इवन नंबर है उसमें आप +1 ऐड कर दो या फिर -1 कर दो. if you are doing plus 1, suppose this is my 2, this is 4, this is 6. So I know very well before 2 there is 1, after 2 there is 3. So if I am supposed to adding plus 1, then you will get 3. If I am supposed to do minus 1, then I will get 1. Okay. So set of odd number is present in two different ways. O is equal to x, where x is equal to 2y minus 1. I can write y belongs to z. Okay, I am here taking odd integers. minus 1 लेंगे तो भी चलेगा, otherwise you can take plus 1 also. There is a very minor difference between these two. How? देखिए, अगर 2y minus 1 लिया, then also your set is same. Okay, मैंने यहाँ पे okay, I am doing one change here. I am taking all odd integers. So I can take minus 7, minus 5, minus 3, minus 1, 0 नहीं आएगा, 1, 3, 5, so on. Okay, so this is my set of odd integers. I want to show this why these two sets are same. I am not saying that minus and plus 1 doesn't matter. No, 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 that is the biggest mistake. Okay, I am just saying that these two sets are equal. How? We are going to see this. Okay. First, make a note. Now I am taking two things. First one is 2y minus 1 and second one is x is equal to 2y plus 1. I hope you guys see it clearly. What is my y? Y is belongs to z. So x is equal to 2y minus 1 and x is equal to 2y plus 1. I am taking these two things. Okay. I am just going to want to see you that the set made by this two different expression is same. Okay. I am not saying that these two expressions are same. I am just saying that set made by this two expression is same. Okay, clear? So let's start. I am writing here two different things. Okay, I am putting, suppose y is equal to minus 3. I am putting y is equal to minus 3. So here I will get x is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 7. And what is here? X is equal to 2 minus 3 plus 1. Okay, so your answer is minus 5. मैं answer तो अलग आया. Wait, just wait. We are doing. Okay, if I am putting y equal to minus 2, साथ में ये भी देखना कि it is a odd numbers or not. ठीक है? So y equal to minus 2, x is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 1. अब मैं डायरेक्ट लिख रही हूँ. minus 4 minus 1, that is minus 5. You can do it easily. यहाँ पे what is that? 2 minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 3. देखिए, some magic is happening. Magic is happening, right? Let's see further. Minus 1, put y equal to minus 1. X is equal to 2 minus 1 into minus 1, that is minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. Something happened again. Here minus 1 plus 1, that is minus 1. Okay, putting y equal to 0, this implies x is equal to 2 into 0 minus 1, that is your answer is minus 1. X is equal to here, put value 0, so your answer is plus 1. Now we are in our comfort zone. What is that? Positive numbers. So x 2 into 1 minus 1, that is 1. यहाँ पे if you put in 1, 2 plus 1, that is 3. Okay, I think enough values are there. What I want to show you, I have enough values. Okay, you can clearly see that what values comes here, It is come in this after one interval. Suppose what I am talking, that is here मेरी 5 -5 value x की I find where when I putting here y is equal to -3. यहाँ पे मैंने y equal to -3 लिया, I will get x is equal to -5 here. And same thing what is happen here, if I am putting -2 then here I am getting -5 value. So suppose इन सब वैल्यू को मिला के for x is equal to 2y minus 1, if I am writing the set, I will get -7 minus 5 minus 3 minus 1 0 sorry 0 नहीं 1 3 5 so on. So on means यहाँ पे -9 भी आएगा, -11 भी आएगा, यहाँ पे 7 9 11 so many values are there, infinite values are there. Similarly यहाँ पे भी what is happening, same thing. If I am writing -5 -3 -1 1 3 5 so on, so here also there is a -7 value, here I can put 7 9 11 so on. So you can see this both sets are equal. Why? Because the number, the order doesn't matter. And मतलब क्या, अगर मैं -7 लास्ट में लिखूँ then it's fine, ठीक है, no problem with that. And second thing, you cannot repeat any number, so you can see both sets are equal because यहाँ पे मैं -7 भी लिख सकती हूँ, -9 I can also write. Okay, so both sides are equal. So you can say the set of odd numbers, you can write it 2y minus 1 also and 2y plus 1 also. Okay, I hope it is clear guys. Okay, thank you.